I got a comment that said you can't make $300 a day. This is almost $350 wait, this is $350 a day. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, this is $351 a day. Yo, I made $351 per day this week for the company. Wow.
We've been given one life to call our own. Will we ever stop chasing after goals? We've been given one life to call our own. Will we ever stop chasing after goals?
I say goals.
You know what's crazy, what's sad out here? People are really still saying, stop giving out the false hope and the false dream. The false hope and the false dream, 300 plus. Bro, like, I mean, you know what? Numbers don't lie. It's really real out here. It is really real out here. Yo, that's 1 week, guys. Now listen, I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this video. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate because people don't believe it. And what people do not believe, what is hard to believe, people tend to hate on. That's just what happens. If they don't believe they can do it, they gonna hate on the person doing it. But everybody in my area knows me. Everybody knows. They be like, what's up, Var? What's up, bro? They be like, yo, you crushing it, bro. A lot of my boys, they got the juice too. And my homegirls, they got the juice too. You know what I'm saying? Not even just in this area, in all the areas. All the areas that listen to what I'm saying here on the channel, fam. And look, I'm not an Instacart shopper. I'm an entrepreneur. I said that so many times. It's just kind of a coincidence that I'm like the #1 Instacart shopper. You know what I'm saying? I mean, me and my boys, we be battling out here. I got a few boys that's trying to keep up, you know what I mean? Keep me on my toes. You almost caught me, bro. You almost caught me. All jokes aside, fam, we really hitting these numbers. Y'all see those numbers. I gotta read it again. I gotta show that again. It's 2,400. Me and Bella created this term called batch bouncing, all right? So that's exactly what I've been doing. In the past, I've made good money by waiting for batches and waiting for the best batches, but lately, I've been hitting numbers like this by batch bouncing. So what we do is, we take a batch, we end up in a location, and we just get another batch in that location, whatever store it is, it doesn't matter. We just take it if it's a decent batch. Now, obviously, if it's like $2 and 20 miles, we're not gonna take it. And if we don't see anything, we'll start making our way back to our original store. However, if we see anything along the way that is worth taking, we swipe it and we go to that location and we do it. And wherever that takes us, if we see something good out there, we swipe it and we do it. And if we don't see anything, we make our way back to our main location. And if we end up getting to our main location, we wait there until we get a batch again and we do it and just repeat the process. So we just literally batch bounce all over the place. We're in different cities, different areas. One of the days this week, I ended up over an hour away from my original location. And I was just somewhere, doing batches. Whole nother town, city, area I've never been in my entire life of being here. The way we go at this, we savage. Savage with the swiping, savage with the doing the batch. Great, excellent customer service. I still got so many secret tips for y'all for the customer service and the psychology stuff and some of the technical side of things. But honestly, I'm still pondering on the way I'm gonna share all of that because there's just too many haters out here. There's people that watch my videos that literally are my competition, and that's cool, but they hating on the boy. They hating on the squad. They hating on us. They don't believe this. They don't believe this. They don't wanna see us making this. And if you making this, guess what? You got a bot. You got a bot. But let's be honest, I cannot promise anybody watching this that they're gonna make 2,000 plus in a week. All I can do is show you and promise you that I will give you everything I do and I know that I do. All right, so if I can show you guys everything I do and everything I know, you have a high, very high chance of hitting these numbers because let's face it, I'm one of the best full service shoppers on this platform, hands down. But I got a comment that said you can't make $300 a day. This is almost $350. Wait, this is $350 a day. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, this is $351 a day. Yo, I made $351 per day this week for the company. Wow. Almost 2,500. Like, come on, almost 2,500. Non-believers are gonna hate. But if you have been listening to me, trust and believe that I only want to see the fam win. I mean, honestly, if I'm gonna be honest, I hope y'all don't believe it. I hope everyone doesn't believe it. I hope 99.999% of you don't believe you can make these numbers. Because if you don't believe you can make it, guess what? I'm gonna make more. Like, see, I ain't one of these guys on YouTube that's like, hey guys. No, honest truth. If you hate and don't believe it, more for me. More food for me, more juice for me. I'll drink all the juice. I'll take it all. Come on, yup, thank you. You go ahead and work your job, okay? And no hates on the job. If you got a 9 to 5, no hate on that. You know, your grind is your grind. I'm just saying, if you don't believe me, if you hating on me, if you don't like me, okay, cool. More for me, and more for everybody out there that knows what's up. Let's get it. Really, I'm just making this video as an update of my week, guys. I'm refreshing that so y'all know this is not no Photoshop, all right? Okay, this is not. Let me look. It's showing my excellent rating, by the way, right now. So let me click my boom. Go to the, there it is. Look, there it is. Boom. I've been waking up early this whole entire week, as early as possible, and I'm out there looking for batches. If you're new here, hit the subscribe. We're about to do day in the life. I'm gonna let y'all in my life. Y'all gonna see me and Bella crush it. Y'all gonna see me and my boys, everybody, all the veterans that know these strategies, that hit these numbers. I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna show y'all the life. I'm gonna show y'all the life and how we move and how we make this money, all right? So if you like that, make sure you hit the subscribe, the bell, the notification bell, so that when I upload a video, you get it like a text message. It just pops up, boom, 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 boom. Tap Var uploaded a new video, and you get it like a text, and you can just click it, boom, let me watch this, because I'm about to make some money. I'm not gonna make this video long at all, actually. I'm gonna stop it right here. You guys know what's coming. So if you're not hating, stick around, let's get it. It's peace and love to all and everybody, the whole fam. I wanna see all of you guys win. I love seeing the fam win. I love seeing the comments that say, yo, Var, I'm crushing it. So keep crushing it. That's what I make these videos for. Let's get it. It's peace and love. I'm out. Peace.